Hey guys, so I'm super tired of literally playing all day. I had my workout in the morning, my first holistic session with a new client here in my house where we did everything: human design, tarot, healing meditation, manifestation, to help her manifest a certain outcome this weekend. And then I went to go play soccer with my friends, and then now I'm here laying on my bed to rest a little bit before I go out and meet with a friend that I met last week, and we're gonna plan this surf trip together, and it's gonna be so much fun. But I'm exhausted and I'm tired from just doing what I love. So if you also want to go to bed tired from doing what you love, from having fun, from being with people that you love, doing the work that you love, then join my Magic Lifestyle program, where I'm going to help you through all the tools that I have to live your magical personal blueprint lifestyle, your soul's lifestyle. We start October 19th. The details are in the description of the video, and magic can be lived today, tomorrow. Like, you don't need to do 1 month, 1 year worth of work or healing. Like, I've been doing this since 2018, and every time it just gets faster and faster and faster and faster. Like, the miracles that I live in a daily basis, it's incredible. Like, the things that I've done in every place that I've lived, it's like people haven't done it in years, and I just do it in months, because I know the techniques, the mental, the emotional, and yeah, life is not supposed to be boring, even if you are in the most boring place in the world, even if you think you're living the most ordinary life in the world, even if you think it will never happen because you need to live in California or Hawaii to have this cool lifestyle. It's not true. It's not true. I meet with so many people that live in cool places, and they're the most miserable people in the world. Then I met people who live in not so cool places, but they're having the most magical lives. And obviously the vice versa is also true. But I'm just saying, magic is activated within you, and then magic comes and finds you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go meet my friend to plan our amazing magical surf trip. My first surf trip ever in my life. So I'm excited because obviously it's a manifestation, and it's with a person that is an amazing surfer, an amazing surf instructor, an amazing friend. And I'm so excited. So don't ever let life just happen to you. Create your life. Create it. Don't wait. Don't wait to get permission. Don't wait for others to approve of you. Don't wait for the time to be right. The time, the permission, the approval is here now. But you have to choose. No one will ever choose for you. No one can ever create your life for you. Everyone is energy. Everything is energy. Nothing is ever set in stone. Okay, have a good night, and I'll see you guys another day.